Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a guide to checking if something exists in Python. Introduction. In Python, determining the existence of an element, file, or object is a common task. This tutorial will guide you through various methods to check if something exists in Python, along with code examples for each approach. The simplest way to check if something exists is by using the if statement. This can be applied to variables, lists, strings, or any other Python object. When dealing with files, it's common to use a try-except block to handle potential errors. For checking the existence of a specific element in a list, tuple, or string, you can use the in operator. For checking the existence of files and directories, the os.path module provides a robust solution. To check if a key exists in a dictionary, you can use the in operator or the get method. In Python, there are multiple ways to check if something exists, depending on the type of object you are dealing with. Whether it's a variable, file, list, or dictionary, the techniques presented in this tutorial will help you handle existence checks effectively in your Python programs. ChatGPT.